Okay, so the plan of action today, I've just got on a southern train at Bletchley and it is so quiet. Obviously it's not even moving yet, but we're like the only ones on this train. There won't be in about 20 minutes time because we stop everywhere. And then we've got to go down to, oh, there's a map. I can show you a map, that'll make it better. Okay, so we're currently at Bletchley. We've got to toodle on down here and get to Clapham Junction. When we get to Clapham Junction,
This is 1217 Southern Train service to East Croydon.
typical.
This train will...
And then change there for a train to Gatwick Airport. We've done it a few times before, so it's really easy to do. So if you are on like this train line, so Milton Keynes kind of area, southern trains are really easy to get to Gatwick when they're running. They do get cancelled quite a bit. So that's our plan. If you're wondering where Dan is, I will show you where I've put my Daniel.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to East Croydon.
We've managed to find a good place to sit. There's Dan. And it's our luggage. So we've taken up this whole space here and the luggage rack. Anyone would think it's night time now, but it was a tunnel.
Wow, your jokes are so funny.
I know.
Georgie, what's going on with your phone?
What do you mean?
Well, it looks a bit battered.
So, this is the iPhone 11 Pro. Got it yesterday. However, I'm not a fool and I'm not going to pay £14 for a phone case.
It's not looking at your face, by the way.
Okay. So I cut my old case up to let the cameras fit, so it looks really stupid, but I've had to do it on the side.
But what's the picture there as well?
This is Deadpool riding a unicorn, who's obviously high on something, and farting a rainbow. Well, the tail's a rainbow, isn't it?
But you're going to get another case in Orlando, aren't you? 'Cause it's cheaper in Walmart.
Yeah, I'm not going to walk around with this for 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm going to get it more. I think they're about $5, so it's a big saving.
Who is it? It's me.
Who?
You know it's me.
Come on in.
You alright?
I'm loving life. How are you?
How's the room?
It's really nice. We're staying at the Hampton by Hilton at Gatwick Airport. I always get words confused. And should we do a room tour, Dan?
Yeah, let's go
We'll
for
do a
it.
room tour. So we're going to start in the bog. So not literally in the bog. It's a nice bathtub. It's a nice bathroom. It's a funny shape, isn't it?
Yeah, only available on the ground floor rooms though, so if you want a bathtub you need to request it.
That's a nice little tip, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah.
There's us. Hi.
Hair falling apart.
Mine looks on peak, on point. I don't know what the word is.
Got a lot of toiletries though, sorry.
Just interrupt me. I'm quite excited that when I have a bath later, I'm going to sit in a perfect circle.
Just little things.
Cool. I had a hotel once in America when I was cabin crew, and it was a square bathtub. The most awful tub ever. It's got toiletries, towels, and blah blah blah. This door, look. It's also a
It
storage
reveals. I wondered where the extra towel was.
cupboard. Yeah, we've got ironing board, hairdryer, and some laundry. Bet we could take those with us, Dan. Choose them in those.
Still things already.
Huge mirror. And this is the bed. I'm not going to jump on this bed. It's a floating bed, so I just have a feeling I'm going to fall through it. So
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not good. I'll just. That's soft. Yeah.
Tiny TV for a Hilton.
It is a bit small, isn't it? What is that? Say 42?
Don't know. No, it's smaller than that.
36. That's small anyway. Got a kettle
Oh.
with tea and coffee, and a few cups. A little desk area. We're on the ground floor. As Dan said, ground floor have bathtubs, so look at our view, guys. Wow.
I wonder if anyone's going to be walking past there in the morning.
I don't know, I might just stand here like this, waiting for someone to walk past.
Ah.
Yeah, I'll freak them out.
Interesting things about breakfast though. So, cold breakfast from 4 till 6, and then hot breakfast from 6 till 10. And that's included in the room.
It is. I can't wait for breakfast.
Yeah.
I'm really excited about breakfast.
Well, should we go and get some food then?
Giraffe.
Well, we have to, because then...
It's good luck, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what we do.
Let's freshen up and head over to Giraffe.
Yeah.
So we've now been in Giraffe for 20 minutes and Georgie still hasn't chosen.
We've been in here for about 2 minutes.
Okay, I'm just trying to add drama to the vlog.
Too much drama. 2 minutes. But I don't know what I want though, so it probably will be here for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the menu. You're not going to be able to see it because you're so far away. But there's food. It's quite nice.
So what are you going for, Georgie?
I've gone for a breakfast plate special, basically full English. Pretty straightforward. And a Pepsi Max. What have you gone for?
All the same.
I know, because I'm here.
Yeah.
Although Dan has swapped out the bacon for an extra sausage instead.
Yeah.
So I was kind of upset because I really wanted Dan's bacon. But now I'll just have to have my 2 lonely rashes.
But this is my last meal, proper meal for 2 days, Georgie. So,
It is indeed.
and we're going to tell you why when we get back to the hotel room.
I don't really want to tell you guys here.
No. But yeah, there's a good reason. So I'm going all out.
Yeah, I could eat a horse, to be fair. When we're done in here, can we go to M&S and buy some more food?
It's up to you.
We will then.
Okay. Oh, breakfast.
It has arrived. I've made Dan film this so that I can get a jump ahead so I can butter my toast
Oh,
and make him really jealous as my butter melts.
thanks.
But yeah, so Dan swapped out his sausage for bacon. No, it's bacon for sausage. And they gave him 4 sausages, so he's kindly donated me a sausage.
Sorry about that finger in the...
Oh, terrible.
No.
But
Let's enjoy.
yeah, I'll let you stop filming now. I'll see you in a sec. So just got back from Giraffe over in the South Terminal at Gatwick Airport. I really enjoyed my meal. I know we had a very English basic meal, but it was really nice. Did you enjoy yours?
Yeah, it's yum.
It was really good. The eggs were perfect as well. But Dan did say something in the airport he said something in the restaurant along the lines of it was his last meal, and we said we'll tell you guys why later. So Dan, why was it your last meal for 2 days?
What, you don't know?
I don't know.
Where have you been for the past 5 months?
I don't know. I can't just ad hoc kind of jokiness.
Okay.
So, why Dan?
Well, Georgie, a few months ago I had a gastric band fitted, and yeah, when you fly, you have to stop eating solids and just have fluids for the day of the flight likely the day after. Sometimes people don't have any issues, but I'm treating it as if I have to. So yeah, liquids for 2 days. So fortunately, Virgin Atlantic have given us the option of pureed food on the plane. So I might get pureed bangers and mash.
I shouldn't say I'm not getting pureed, I'm getting a proper meal.
Pureed
bangers and
afternoon
mash.
tea.
Oh, a Caesar salad sandwich pureed.
So yeah, we'll see what that's about, which is going to be nice. And then yeah, when we get there, we'll probably pop to Walmart and get Slim Fasts. So yeah, it's going to be fun and interesting. But the bigger picture is really that I eat much smaller portions, I eat slower. So yeah, meals are going to be really different over this holiday. I'm probably going to have kids' meals more. And George is going to have to wait ages for me to eat as well. So.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, look at the size of my head compared to yours right now. I don't know if it's the
That makes a
angle.
change, because my head is bigger than yours.
So maybe the band is working. But yeah, it's a bit weird because usually, because Dan doesn't like flying, and it's the food that kind of gets you through a flight. So it's going to be weird tomorrow to see what it's like.
It's going to be tough smelling all those smells.
Yeah.
And then I just get brought out a bottle of pureed
Creamy.
sausage and mash.
Yeah. But it might be nice.
So I hope it's not a nice meal.
Yeah. No, I do. I hope it is a nice meal.
I'm going to be more bothered when the afternoon tea comes out and the scones and jam. And
Can you have an ice cream? Because technically that's pureed.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
But
Should we get
I'd still
something
prefer
nice?
a sandwich and scone.
Yeah.
And when we get there, we normally have our traditional IHOP as well.
And I usually get a side of large fries.
Yeah, so that's going to be horrible. But yeah.
We'll get through it.
Yeah, there's still risks that the band might act up on the plane as well. So we need to see if I get through that as well. So yeah, anxiety, turbulence, and now gastric band.
Meanwhile, I'll just be sitting there like this, looking out the window for 9 hours, as I get super bored on the flight. I can't get invested in a TV program or a movie. I just look out the window like, I just want to be on the ground now. That's pretty much me.
So yeah, that was it really, wasn't it, for pre-travel day vlog?
Pretty much.
So close it, Georgie.
I'll try to. So for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you very much for watching. And for those of you who aren't, over there, my camera's over this side, click that thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Disney, Universal, Florida and travel vlogs. We are now just starting our new series, so we're flying out tomorrow. We'll have our travel day out soon as well. And then we'll be all up in Disney and around the Orlando area. So yeah, if you're into that kind of stuff, give us a subscribe and watch all of our videos. And we will see you later.